Hello guys, Julius Santiago here. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to edit an opt-in page template in System.io. By the way, for those of you who don't have System.io account, I'll be putting a link in the description below so that you can register for your free account. So if you're ready, let's get into the lesson. Once you're logged into your account, you will be seeing this. I already inside my panel list. So to create a new opt-in page, just click this add step and then name your opt-in page. Then from here you select this one, squeeze page. Then click save. So after you've done that, you click this again and then you will be prompted with the list of templates. So let's say you like you pick one of this design, and let's say you kinda like this to present your article or your pre-ebook. Just click select. And then click here to enter the editor page. Once you're inside this editor page, you will now have a control. So let's say you don't want all of this because you just want your lead to get your pre-lead magnet. So you can delete this part. Delete all of these. And here, let's say I'll just put a logo for now. Which I'll delete this. I'll put a text and put a logo so that you'll know that this one you need to put your logo. Something like that. And by the way, if you don't have font combination yet, you can go to this website to select your font combination, fontpair.co/all. So let's say you want to use Poppins as your headline and Laura as your text. So the way to do that is you go back to your editor page and go here, settings, select your font type. Here you select Laura, right? And then all of this change. Later we're gonna be editing this part. Since this is a headline, we want this to be Poppins, so we'll edit that later. So here you can replace this one with your ebook cover. So click here. Let's just use one of these images, and then here, let's say you want to edit this, so put your headline here and your body text here. And then let's say you only need this one, this part, upper part. Then what you need to do here, since it's only a template, you will have a way to edit all of these. So delete, including this one. And you can notice here there's still this part, so delete also. Now you're left with this one, and let's say your color theme is not green. Let's say it's an violet and orange. So to change this one, let's say you want this to be orange. So the way to get this color is install this color pick eyedropper as a Google Chrome extension. And once you install, you just click here and then move your mouse here to get the color ID. Copy this and then go here to change the color. You change it here and then paste the color ID. See, now it's changed. So let's say this one is your color theme. It's already edited. Now we want this to be Poppins, right? So to edit this, go here, click here, then go here. Since this one is Lato, we want to change it to Poppins. And this one, let's just double check if it's Laura. Yeah, it's already edited. And this one also, we want it to be Laura, so that your font is consistent throughout your page. This one also Laura, and this to Laura as well. As you can see, now it's consistent that the headline is a Poppins and the body text are Laura. So now your page is consistent. So that's it for this video. Once again, if you have questions about building opt-in page, landing page in Systeme.io, comment down below. And if you like this video, just like and subscribe to this channel so that I can share more content of how to build a sales page, landing page by using Systeme.io. That's all, and thank you, and watch out for the upcoming video.